So, I want to make a danger dog. Um, this came about because I was watching Rhett and Link, and they went on this big tournament scale of hot dogs. At the very end of the tournament style came the danger dog and the Chicago dog. Danger dog is this dog I've never heard of. Even though I lived in San Diego for a little while, I just didn't even. It's not a thing that I really realized was around, but apparently was coming up. But Chicago dogs, I grew up on Chicago dogs. Nothing beats a Chicago dog. Nothing. But I'm gonna stay unbiased, right? So I decided, I'm gonna try one, and I'm not. I know I'm from Chicago, so it's definitely gonna be unbiased. But at the same time, I love all food, so I want to give it a shot. So let me show you what one of these looks like. And the first thing I get is a bunch of most dangerous dogs. Look at those dangerous dogs. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. That is scary. Okay. The danger dog, Wikipedia. Here we go. A danger dog is a hot dog that has been wrapped in bacon and deep fried. It is served on a hot dog bun with various toppings, also known as bacon wrapped hot dog. And there's a what? There's a Chicago variation? Frenchies? What? Franchise? Oh, it's just okay. It's just a bacon wrapped hot dog with some cheese, it looks like. I mean, that still looks good. I'd eat it. Definitely would. Here, that's a danger dog. But you can see they've got the mayo, the ketchup, the mustard, peppers, the onions, and then a bacon wrapped hot dog. Sounds really good. I want one right now. Sounds so good. I want one right now. But supposedly, from what I've heard, at least from Rhett and Link on YouTube, so take that with a grain of salt. Essentially, those hot dogs, people weren't allowed to sell on street corners. They weren't allowed to sell danger dogs on street corners. So what they had to do is they called them danger dogs because they had to run. If the cops came, they weren't allowed to be selling food on the corner, so they had to go. So they'd always sell on these little carts, kind of like this one's right here. And so when cops come around, you don't have a permit, you don't have license, you don't have anything. So you're not allowed to open up shop on the corner, and it's not legal there. It's not like New York where you're allowed to, pop up on the corner. Or at least I don't really know how New York's laws work, but all I know is that they're not allowed to do this. So that's why they're called danger dogs. And now I feel like they've been changing names into being called the LA dog. You get it. Danger dogs sold on corners. Unlicensed people who are making these danger dogs. They're wrapped in bacon. They've got some onions. They've got some peppers. They got some ketchup. They got some mustard. They got some mayo. Did I miss anything? And they got a jalapeno sometimes right on top. Makes my lips smack right now. That's all you need to know. Let's go make this thing. go. Ooh. All right. Let's take this one. This is good. I don't know how to describe this at all. Oh man, this is really good. These babies are good. I can't compare it to Chicago dog. I just can't. Yeah. I'm starting to believe veggies on a hot dog are always a good idea. I was so hangry. This is so good. Woo. This is so damn good. It was so good. So after watching me make the Danger Dog and actually eating the Danger Dog, comparing them to Chicago dogs, I was in euphoria land while eating that hot dog. I gotta say these things are on two different scales. Like one by itself is complete, and that's the Chicago dog. I'm sorry, it's complete. And on the other hand, the Danger Dog is really like a ton of different flavors. Like I could probably have 3 Chicago dogs in a row, but then after that point, I'm good. You know, I've had that taste. The Danger Dog at the end would be a good mix up. It would just I could eat probably another 2-3 hot dogs, even though I'd be sick after. I'd do it. So take that for what it is, but you should try making a Danger Dog, and you should respect the Chicago dog. That's all I'm saying. I'll see you guys next time.